imagine this. You sit down, you've got things to do. You know you've got things to do. You might even have a list right in front of you. And then you spend the next hour not doing any of them, not because you've forgotten what's on the list, but because something between your brain and the actual task just won't connect. You can see exactly what you need to do, but starting it feels impossible. And then you just feel awful about the fact that it feels impossible, which makes starting it even more difficult. If you have ADHD, I would be surprised if you don't know exactly what I'm describing. It's called ADHD paralysis. And in this video, I want to show you the specific thing that I do when this happens, because it's the simplest AI workflow that I use. And honestly, it might be really helpful for you. And if you are someone with ADHD trying to create YouTube videos, I have made a completely free AI toolkit to help you. It has ADHD friendly prompts that help you with coming up with video ideas to filming, editing, everything you need basically. Completely free. A link's down below if you're interested. All right, so let's look at the science behind why ADHD paralysis happens, because once you understand that, then your brain can start to get your head around how to actually fix that problem.
Yes, science!
Your prefrontal cortex, which is the part of your brain responsible for stuff like planning, prioritizing, and starting tasks, that runs on dopamine. And people with ADHD have lower dopamine available, which means the system that's supposed to look at your to-do list, pick the most important thing, and then just get started on it, that works a lot less efficiently. So on a normal day with normal energy levels and, you know, like a reasonable amount of stuff on your plate, that's manageable, right? But when you're stressed, when your energy levels are low, or you've got like 10 different things and 5 of them are super important, that's demanding a lot of attention at once, and your ADHD brain just cannot keep up with that pace. So here's exactly what I do when this happens, and honestly it is pretty simple. So when I am hit with ADHD paralysis, the problem isn't that I don't know what's on my list, it's that I can't prioritize it. I can't look at 12 different things and figure out which one to do right now.
Tell me!
The prioritization is exactly what's not working in my mind, but Claude can do that for me. Just in the specific moment when I need one clear answer and my brain just won't highlight what that answer is. So this is exactly what I do when I feel completely overwhelmed. I will literally just open up Claude. I will start a new chat. I will tell it all of the things that I have on my to-do list. So for example, I need to come up with ideas for my next 3 YouTube videos. I need to update my budget spreadsheet. I also need to prepare for a home visit for Charlie's nursery appointment. And I've got like 5 other things to do. I will basically just tell Claude everything that needs to be done, and I will ask it to analyze everything it knows about me and help me prioritize my tasks based on the time that I actually have available. And that's literally it. Honestly, I don't need to use this a lot, but it's really helpful to know that I have that simple system that I can use when I do feel overwhelmed, because I am in one of the busiest periods of my life right now. You know, I'm trying to build this YouTube channel. I am trying to go to the gym almost every day. I am parenting a very energetic toddler. I am working a full-time job. It can be a lot sometimes. And on the days where I've had a really bad night's sleep because Charlie's woken me up like 5-6 times, I just don't have the mental energy or the willpower to just prioritize things and get things done. Then I will just use Claude to help me. And that is genuinely it. You're not trying to build a system here. You're not giving Claude your entire life to manage. You're just using Claude to help you prioritize the tasks that need to get done based on your energy levels and the time you have available. And the reason this works so well isn't because Claude is smarter than you, but let's be honest, it probably is.
I'm sorry, I took it too far.
It's because Claude doesn't have the emotional weight attached to each item on your to-do list. It doesn't feel the guilt about the thing that you've been avoiding or the anxiety about the thing that's most important. It just looks at your list and it picks the most logical thing to do. And sometimes that is all you need, just one logical answer to break that paralysis and just get started.
Now, say it. Do it now.
So when ADHD paralysis hits you, just do one thing. Don't try and plan your whole day. Don't ask for a schedule. Just ask Claude or your favorite AI tool for the single most important next step, then do that and then start using that to build momentum to get other tasks done. ADHD paralysis is not a motivation problem. It's a system problem. Your brain's prioritization runs way less efficiently under stress or when you've had basically 5 hours of sleep. When that happens, you do not need motivation. You need external support. And that is where Claude comes in to help you when you need it. It's just doing the one thing that your brain needs help with in that moment, picking the most important thing and just getting started. And if you want to see the 5 specific Claude features that make the biggest difference for people with ADHD, then check out this video next.